Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. In this video here, we're going to see how we can integrate Roboflow with Ultralytics HUB. So Roboflow is really good for annotating your images, and now we can also integrate it directly with the Ultralytics HUB. So you can train your models, you can label your dataset with Roboflow, integrate it with Ultralytics HUB, train your own custom models, and then you can also export them. And then you can basically just have a custom computer vision model pipeline for training up and running in very short time. So right now, let's just jump straight into it and see how we can integrate Roboflow with Ultralytics HUB. So I've just jumped straight into the Ultralytics HUB. If we go inside the integrations, we can now see we can integrate Roboflow with the HUB. First of all, we just need to set up our API key. So this is basically just an API key that we need to get from Roboflow. We paste it in here, and then we can link Roboflow to our integrations with Ultralytics HUB. Once we have that, all of our datasets from Roboflow for that specific account will act like be imported into our Datasets tab up here in the top in the Ultralytics HUB. So this is pretty cool. Then you can integrate Roboflow, you can train your models directly. So it's basically going to take care of all the formatting and exporting the dataset. Then you can use it directly to train your own custom computer vision models. So right now I'm just going to hit get my API key. I'll take the API key, copy paste it in here, and then we can add it, and it will then link my account. So I've now pasted my API key in here. I can now press add, and it should act like just integrated. Now we can see the linked workspaces. Again, here we see that I've linked my own profile. You can also go over and unlink it if you don't want the integration any longer. But right now we actually have all of it linked in here. So let's now go inside this Datasets tab and see if all our datasets from Roboflow has already been converted and uploaded to the Ultralytics HUB. So now let's press Datasets. Let's scroll a bit down. So this is all the standard datasets from Ultralytics HUB, but we also have some custom ones up here at the top. Let's just scroll down. So here we can actually see that we have our workspaces. So these are all the projects that I have on my Roboflow account. Now they have been integrated and uploaded here to the Ultralytics HUB. Let's go ahead and take this cup detection version 2 here just to see an example. So now we're going to go into this. And again, this dataset here is from Roboflow. I have done all the annotations and so on from Roboflow, and it has integrated it automatically. So here we can see all the classes. So again, these are the classes that I have in my cup detection dataset. We can see some examples over here to the right. Also, which of the classes. We can see the bounding boxes and so on around our classes. So this is really cool. Now we can see that we have the number of classes, the number of images on our dataset, and this is a Roboflow workspace. Now we have our dataset, we can directly train our model. We don't need to do anything. Just connect your Roboflow account, annotate your images inside Roboflow, go in here to the Ultralytics tab, get your datasets, train the model, export the model, use it in your own applications and projects. So this is really easy. Everyone can now train computer vision models. So let's now hit this train model tab. We can choose which of the models that we want to use from Ultralytics. So we have YOLOv5 and also YOLOv8, different versions of them. Let's just go with the small model, hit continue. And now we can see that we can directly use it in Google Colab. So here we can see how we can log into the hub to use our datasets and also to train our model. All the results and all the training, the metrics during training and so on, the logging would act like be shown and visualized here in the hub as well. So you can monitor and log your models while they're training. So now we can just directly train it with the hub, and you can open a Google Colab notebook here, or you can bring your own agent if you want to train it on your own local machine. The Ultralytics Cloud is also coming very soon, so you can train directly in here as well. So you have a dataset, train, datasets, exporting, and so on, everything in one place. So I hope this video here has shown you how easy it is to use integrations with Roboflow to go in and handle your datasets, all the exporting and so on, and how you can use it in Ultralytics HUB to train your model, combine both the datasets, the model training, and everything in here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in one of the other videos. Until then, happy learning.